Chino yard, no more. Chino yard, gone.
No, yes.
No more.
Yeah.
Finish.
This is Chino yard.
Ah.
Hello.
So, hello, Swaddy Cup. Hello, Swaddy Cup. Hello. Yes, hello, everybody. Cyberstar. Cyberstar. Whatever that is. Bloody nice, though. Very nice. Good evening, everybody. Oh, thank you, Cup. Just eating, thank you. Welcome, everybody, back to Phuket, Patong Beach. We're going for a walk along Beach Road and so forth. See what it's like. It's about 9:30 at night. It's a Tuesday night, I think. It's a Tuesday night. Hello, Swaddy Cup. Hello, Swaddy Cup. Tuesday night here in Phuket. People are out and about. People are out and about. So, hello, Swaddy Cup. Hello, Swaddy Cup. Hello. Yes, hello, everybody. Hello, Swaddy Cup. Oh, crikey. Get hammered walking through there all the time. All right, this takes us on the Beach Road, just around the corner here at the roundabout. See what we can find. Got the races on up there, I think. Hello, Swaddy Cup. All right, here we are, coming up to Beach Road, roundabout. Hello, Swaddy Cup. All right, let's go. Let's see what we can find. Hello, Swaddy Cup. Alrighty. Crikey. That was a mission in itself, walking through there. Now we're on Beach Road. Let's go see what we can find. This is the quiet end after that little spot. Nice little restaurant here. What's this one called? I'm not too sure. Smokestack, is it? I'm not 100% sure. Looks pretty posh. Smokestack. Barbecue and grill. Now what I'm interested in is this joint. Endless Summer. Endless Summer Beach Club. I think this is fairly new, although there's no one in it. There is over there, but there's no one in it down here in the beach club part. So I don't know if it's closed because it's night time or if it's just closed for some reason. But anyway, who knows? Looks all right. Goodfellas Pizza, nobody in there, but it looks nice as well. There's all your token little market shops, your Crocs, your handbags, your iPhone, your iPads, all that stuff. There you go, the boys on the bikes. They're noisy. The beach seafood. A few customers in there having a feed. Down this road here on the right is where Burasari Resort is. KT Optic on the corner, Burasari Resort, great hotel. Stayed there quite a few times. Just down there on the right, great spot, good location. Fairly expensive now, so I don't stay there anymore. But it's a great location, it's a great hotel. Terrazzo, a few people in there, got the local band going. Belting out a few tunes at Terrazzo. That's continue on. As I said, this is the quiet end. Nearly down to the... heading towards Bangla anyway. Holiday Inn Resort. Is where you'll find most of the people down towards Bangla. Might even take a little walk through there as well while we're at it. Oop, enjoyed my trip there. Outside the Yogi bar. Quite a few people in there. Quite a few. Enjoying a feed. Sweaty cup. Now this used to be the Chino yard. All these shops here. Chino yard is gone and there's now all groups of shops out the front. Coco Walk, 88 Gelato. See, all empty through there. Chino yard, no more. Chino yard, gone.
Chino yard.
No more.
Yeah.
Finish.
This is Chino yard.
Ah.
Yeah,
Yeah, through the back there. Yeah. All gone.
Chino yard.
Oh, finish.
Finish.
Go. Have a good night. Coco Copper. Sweaty cup. Coco Copper there on the right. Good little restaurant. Nice and relaxing. Good atmosphere down there as well. Hello, Sweaty cup. No, thank you. So Chino Yard is no longer, guys. Not that it was that big anyway. It was always pretty empty, but that was there for a couple of years. Looked good, the entrance looked good. Yeah, it was all yellow and stuff, but it's gone now. That's the sneaky cut through to get to Second Road. Down there. What's this place? Blue Saffron. Looks posh. Looks very posh. There's Bangla. Big hotel right here on Beach Road. Very popular. A lot of people stay here. Good feeds as well. Good atmosphere, good vibe, good rooms, great pool. Not a great price, but location is outstanding. So if that's happening, bit of Natalie Imbruglia singing Torn up there. Ooh, good song. Let's continue. Alright, now we start to get into the busy section of Beach Road in Phuket, Patong Beach. A few bars and stuff down there. Hello, Sweaty cup. Oh, random teddy bear out the front of Zuri restaurant. It's strange.
Yes, boss.
Hello, Sweaty cup. No, thank you. Just eating, thank you. Bit random. Having a teddy bear, bit of old Humphrey out the front, mate, of a restaurant. Bit of Subway, if anyone's into Subway. There we go, banana pancakes, roti bread, mango sticky rice. Yum, yum, yum. Oh, been there? We come before. Sweaty
How are you today?
Sweaty cup. Mojito bar. A few people at the front here. Looks like they're enjoying themselves on the swings. Having a few quiet ales or a feed or whatever they're doing. So yeah, it looks like they're having a nice old feed. Doubletree Hotel by Hilton. Haven't stayed there, but it looks very nice online. Another excellent location. Got a Starbucks underneath. Looks very good. Doubletree by Hilton. What's this bar? Get through here.
How much it be?
1,000. 400? Yeah, jeez. Typical, trying to rip them off. Nice bar, that. Outside the Doubletree. What a surprise, trying to get us cheap. Took like a ridiculous price for a tuk-tuk. Mate, you're not going to get it. You pay a lot for a tuk-tuk, no matter what. Molly's Tavern, been there a long time, very nice place. We've eaten there before. Not eating in there, in that hole. McShite. What's this car? Cyberstar, whatever that is. Bloody nice though. Very nice. Nice car. Oh, thank you, Coppin Cup. Mama Thai, Sputty Cup. No, thank you, Coppin Cup. Oh, here he is buying his little thingy-majiggies, whatever they are. Oops, sorry. Well, I'm glad I didn't get that on camera. Oh my God. A friend of mine just bought some things off a dude in a little market stall, and the boss was on the phone. She flashed her bloody knockers at him, mate. Oh my God. Thank God I didn't get that on camera. Anyway, back to the street walk. Fresh fruit. This has been here a while, this joint actually. That must be doing all right. Good location. Great fresh fruit and produce. Fresh coconut, 70 baht. It's not too bad. It's cheap. For Phuket. Little tuk-tuks lining up here on the side, trying to get a job. Hopefully they do. Hopefully they do. They start charging a few dollars cheaper, I'll get a lot more jobs, I reckon. Because Grab and all that have taken over by a long time, by a big margin. Big margin. Tandoori Flames Indian Cuisine down there on the right. Look at all the tuk-tuks lined up, mate. There's about 20 of them all lined up. Waiting for a job. Sweaty cup. Right, so we're about probably 100 metres away from Bangla Road. Will we take a walk down there?
Yeah.
What do you reckon? I think we will. Patong Beach Hotel still hasn't opened yet. Says it's open 1st of October. It's the end of October now. Still nothing. Lights are on, but nobody's home. Tropical Bungalow and Restaurants. This place has been here for 155,000 years. Obviously does well. Hotel at the back there, if you didn't know. Not many people in there at the moment. Mind you, it is 9:30, so most people have eaten dinner. So, all right, not far from Bangla now. Quite a few people out. It's a, what is it, Tuesday night. People are out and about. Blah, 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 blah. Bloody copyright music there. Talk over that. Now what I might do, because YouTube are a bit funny on having me walk down Bangla, so I'll either end the video here or I'll continue on. Let's see what happens. If you don't see the Bangla Road part, YouTube has taken it down. So I'll say goodbye to you now just in case. Thank you for watching, all the rest of it, blah, blah, blah. But if we can get away with it, we'll continue on.